China's Spring Festival travel rush is just around the corner. Authorities announced that they expect this year's influx will run from January the 21st to March the 1st. The 40-day period will see nearly 3 billion passenger trips in total. The number of railway trips is expected to exceed 400 million for the first time in the country's history, and the number of trips by air is expected to reach 73 million. Since the reform and opening up in 1978, more Chinese people have left their hometowns to work and study elsewhere, and many of them return home to see family during the holiday season. The annual travel peak is now considered the world's largest annual human migration.